Welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD, speaking to you over the video. In Tagalog, inaanyayahan ko po kayong muli sa ating pag-aaral ng Speak Tagalog. Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSCD. To continue in English, this is Miss Gutierrez, New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am author, writer of 22 books, university professor, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor as well, an outstanding teacher, if I could mention you, humility aside. Speak Tagalog, a basic primer. That you see my book on the right is my first book that I have published. That I have published 22 books I have published and written and published. And on the left is an English book I entitled How to Be Happy, Really and Truly, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And all my 22 books you will find worldwide at Amazon, outskirtspress.com. My first book, Speak Tagalog, you'll find outskirtspress.com. Also on Amazon, all bookstores, online stores near you. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com, and my second website, juanitagutierrez.com. Nagpapasalamat po ako in Tagalog. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng aking mga taga-subaybay at taga-tangkilik. In English, I am going to take this opportunity to give my love, light, and gratitude to all my wonderful subscribers. Those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart. In Tagalog, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng aking mga taga-subaybay at taga-tangkilik. Sana po kayo ay mag-subscribe doon sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe. At matatagpuan po ang 22 kong aklat sa Amazon, sa outskirtspress.com, ito pong Speak Tagalog, at sa aking dalawang website, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. And thank you all so very much. Now, we are going to continue with our Tagalog language learning lesson. And today, you notice this is my book, Secret Miracles of Therese, Jude, and Blaise, written by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez, on sale at Amazon and all bookstores that I have shown you in the previous video as well. And today we're going to study Tagalog Basics. Basics in Tagalog, unang kaalaman. Unang kaalaman or pangunahing kaalaman. And we are going to study days. In Tagalog, araw. Days, plural, or day, singular, it all means the same word, araw. Days, araw. Tagalog, lunes. Lunes. In English, Monday. Martes. Martes. In English, Tuesday. Miércoles. Miércoles. In English, Wednesday. Jueves. Jueves. Thursday in English. Viernes. Viernes. Friday in English. Sábado. Sábado. Saturday in English. Linggo. Sunday. I wrote this clearly on the other side. Linggo. Linggo. Sunday. Let's concentrate in pronunciation. First syllable, lu. Second syllable, nes. The accent is on the first syllable, lunes. Lunes. That's Monday. Second one, martes. First syllable, mar. Second syllable, tes. The accent is in the second syllable, martes. 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 Tuesday in English. Miércoles. 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 Or you could say miércoles. Miércoles. First syllable, mier. Second syllable, co. Third syllable, les. Miércoles. The accent is on the first syllable, miércoles. That's Wednesday. Jueves. First syllable, jue. Second syllable, ves. The accent is on the first syllable, jueves. Jueves. That's Thursday in English. Viernes. First syllable, bi. Second syllable, yer. Third syllable, nes. Viernes. Second syllable, yer. And is the accent. Viernes. 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 That's Friday in English. Sábado. Sábado. First syllable, sa. Second syllable, ba. Third syllable, do. The accent is in the first syllable, sábado. 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 That's Saturday in English. And I wrote the Sunday here much more clearly. Lingo. Lingo. That's Sunday in English. First syllable, ling. Second syllable, go. The accent is in the first syllable, lingo. Lingo. That's Sunday. I hope you learned something today, and thank you all for watching. See you all again in Tagalog. Sana po ay mayroon kayong natutuhan at magkita uli po tayo. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, speaking to you over the video. See you all once again. Thank you all for watching. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year to all. Blessings of Christ, love and light to us all.